Good morning and good day to my future employer in Hong Kong. My name is Annalisa Kamiki, 37 years old, married with 3 kids. I am a college graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics at Jen Santos Foundation College Incorporated. Way back 2015 to 2017, I was working in a long time in Kuwait City as a domestic helper with the 6th member of the family. My main duty there is to take good care of a newborn baby, especially in feeding her milk, giving her food, changing her diaper always, taking her bath, changing her clothes, and sometimes I sleep with the baby if my madam is not there. I also take good care of the 6, 5, and 2 years old as well. I help them doing indoor and outdoor activities like coloring, drawing, writing, and sometimes I help them answering their assignments in solving basic mathematics and in reading simple English. I also play with them if my madam and sir bring them to the playground. I also teach them on how to become a good person, like how to respect other people around them, especially to their parents. I also doing the house chores like ironing, cleaning the house, washing clothes, and sometimes I help my madam in the kitchen in cooking and marketing. To my future employer, please give me a chance to be a part of your family as a nanny or a helper because I am a hardworking person, dedicated to my work, honest, responsible, trustworthy, and most of all, I am a God-fearing. Ma'am and sir, if you hired me as a nanny or a helper, I promise that I will do my best and my responsibility to your kids and to your family. I promise also that I will love your kids as my own because I am loving, caring, kind, and a good person. If you're giving me also a lot of tasks, no worries, I can handle that because I can work under pressure with quality. I guarantee also that I will finish my contract and if you allow me, I will work more years to your family and to your kids. I hope you consider me as a nanny or a helper because I believe that this is the position, this is the place, this is the moment that I have been wanting for. Ma'am and sir, thank you and God bless us all.